Climate change is a matter of great concern around the world. Today, we will be discussing about the conservation of mangroves. Mangroves globally play a critical role in climatic resilience. They are capable of extracting 5 times more carbon than forests found on the Earth's surface. In fact, mangroves are the first line of defense for the coastal regions. How? By protecting land from various natural disasters. Mangroves provide more protection to the habitation which are located behind these forests. Impact of storms or tsunamis decrease to a great extent. Mangroves, they support fisheries. These are the home to the fishes, sea life, and terrestrial animals. Disappearance of mangroves will affect food and jobs for the large number of people. Two major climatic threats. Number one, rising level of sea. Number two, frequency of tropical cyclones has increased. Climatic change is creating unfavorable conditions for mangroves, which can lead to loss of these forests. Loss of mangroves will result in protection of coasts by blocking storm waves. Development in the urban areas have put an axe on these forests. Mangrove trees, they store carbon in large amounts in trees and soil, which will otherwise be released in the air. Mangroves, they require some amount of fresh water influx. Why? Because otherwise the salt content of the soil will increase, which will result in high salinity. That will lead to degradation of these forests. An example to reduce salinity in mangroves, forest, Tamil Nadu government in India, with the help of local communities, has constructed artificial canals. These are the artificial canals constructed to flush out water, and its results being salinity has reduced. For conservation, it is important to focus on biodiversity and genetic diversity. This has been suggested by the scientists. Engineering to be used so that mangrove, they grow taller. Mixing of species, which will help in improving resilience. Initiatives are being taken by the local government, communities for mangrove plantation drives. Loss of mangrove trees for the sake of development will be disastrous. That's all. I hope you have liked the video. Do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.